guys, if you want to learn how to do a hair like this, just keep watching and I will show you exactly how to do it. I'm going to be using TRESemmé Keratin Smooth as for heat protectant, and I'm going to use the Aussie Sponge Catch the Wave hairspray to hold, and I'm going to do the Argan Oil Moroccan Oil treatment as my oil base, and of course you're going to need a clip. Conair, it's called the Infinity Pro by Conair. Here's when I use my Keratin Smooth heat protectant. So you just spray on both sides. I'm going to split my hair in two. The way I'm going to curl my hair is the same way I would have done it if I would have used hot rollers. If you want to see how I put hot rollers on, leave a comment requesting that video and I will do that video for you. Roll it back up. I usually hold it for 10 or 15. While I'm holding it, you can spray just a little bit of hairspray to make sure it's going to hold until you finish your whole hair. You're going to go back and hold your curl up. Let it cool off just a little bit. And there's your curl. Do the same thing. The majority of the hair is going to be really repetitive, so I'm going to just show y'all, kind of fast speed it up, and I will show you at the end how I play with it and install it. Now that it's done, just pull your hair forward and give it one last spray, just lightly, not too much. I like to kind of play with my bangs just to make them fall, then kind of break it just with your fingers smoothly, not too much. If you don't have voluminous hair like this, you can always brush your hair just to give it more of a volume with a comb like this, and just go forward just a little, just brush up just a little bit. And just give it one last spray. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like my video. Follow me on Instagram, Priscilla. And thank you for watching one more time. I love you. And request whatever you want to see next time. Bye.